Hey, so I'm gonna be showing you all, you how to do this. You should have your object with you, and what you gotta do is inside of it. If you have another model inside of the model, then you need to go inside that model, and then if there are multiple parts, just union them. And if you get this, then it doesn't matter. You can just do this. Just like select everything and weld them. I have this plugin where you can instantly weld it, so I just welded it and it should weld. Right, so let me know if you want that plugin, I'll give it to you. Then make sure then this is the main, because it got the weld in it. Alright, so now this vase, I'm gonna insert a part, a normal part here, and I'm gonna just do this here. So since this is a grid, this is a grid thing, so like you should have a grid placement system, then it should be divisible by 3. So you can't put 7 because 3 divided by 7 is 7 divided by 3 is not a thing which you can do. So what you're gonna do here is I'm gonna just put something like 6 and 3. Okay, so that's one thing. And now you can just cover the whole object like this, and make sure its can collide is false and the transparency is to 1. And now name that part hitbox and put it inside the flower pot. So now it's inside the flower pot, right? So now you should like select the hitbox and then select vase and go inside and select all the parts and go to plugin and click instant weld. Because I have the plugin, I can just do that. If you don't have the plugin, then you should just go to hitbox and make a weld, and then select part 0 as hitbox and part 1 as vase. Again, you should duplicate that again, which is a hassle, so I recommend downloading the plugin. So once you do that, go to the model, and the primary part should be set to hitbox. And once that's done, you can just take this and go to replicator storage and put it in the items. Once that's pretty much completed, it won't still show up because you just need to go to this decoration module, and here I have already explained what it does. So I have added a thing called price. Put it to 0 if you want it to be free, and if you want it to be payable, then you should put it to 120 or something, the price. Alright, but I think you should put it to 0 for now because I haven't scripted the money thing. So the flower pot is obviously going to be a decoration, so it's going to go under this. If it's an electronic, then it will be going under this, and if it's a storage, then it will be going under storage. So since it's here, I'm going to just enter flower. If you're going to put spaces, then you should do this flower pot, and here we're gonna first specify where the item is. So as you know, we put it in the items place called flower pot here. You should just get it, so I'll just say items. Since there's a space in the flower pot, it won't work. For that, you can do the same thing you did here. You can just do this without the dot, and the price is going to be 0. And now the flower pot will show up in the game, which I will be showing to you. My bad. So if I go to build mode, decorate, decorations, as you can see, there's a flower pot, and Alright, so this is a bug. Alright, as you can see, it's not showing up, but whenever so it's a bug here. It's not basically a bug, but it's just a small mistake, and I'll show you all what. So the hitbox should be, wait, alright, the hitbox should be can collide through, because if not it will just fall through, which you don't want to do. So now let's take this and put it in items. My bad, I need to write this code. Alright, so decorations, this, yep, I know what the problem is. It's something to do with the weld. As you can see, if I just drag it up and run it, as you can see, the hitbox as you can see, the hitbox has not stayed with it, because your model should be anchored. All the stuff inside should be anchored, and the hitbox should be anchored as well, and make sure it's welded properly, which I'm gonna do again, because this looks like a bug which Roblox is doing. Alright, now put it in items and we shall see if it's working. Yeah, as you can see here, now it's working fine. It was just a bug, so I can rotate it and place it, and I can place it again like fire pit. So yeah, that's how you do it. Electronics, I'll just get the lamp. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do this. Yeah, there are some problems that's with the model, but yeah, if you just look closely to the video, you can see how I did it. So yeah, thanks for ordering though, I really appreciated it. I'll do the other half once you pay the rest, and yeah, thanks.